Hey Joe.
Yeah.
Can you explain tread blocks?
Tread blocks. I'm glad you asked that. Let me just put this hideously expensive fishing rod. You can bleep that out, right? Ah! So, tread blocks. Glad you asked, James. So tread blocks, let me get this tyre over here. And I'll bring him out. Whoa! This is a 35-inch tyre. It is the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. And you can see here, these individual pieces are the tread blocks. So it's sort of a common way, easy way to refer to these parts of the tread pattern. But even on smaller tyres, we still have tread blocks. So, I mean, you'd almost call this a rib, really, rather than a tread block. But you could sort of say these ones here on the side are tread blocks, but they're actually, these little bits in between here are sipes separating them, but even these sipes here actually aren't the full depth of the tread block. So, tread blocks, back to that question. This is a tread block. It's just a small part of the tyre tread pattern.